In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll to hit display. Then use this switcher next to adaptive brightness to either switch it on or turn it off. If you want to, you can also click on it on the left and manage it the same way over here. Additionally, you can read this disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!